Troutwood. We build financial planning software and investor education tools. And today I wanted to share one of the ways that I use the Troutwood Map, an interactive mapping technology in the classroom. And what you see here on the screen are a bunch of dots. If you own the stock market, you own these dots. We have a list feature on the left side there as well. But what I'm going to do actually is first toggle off each of the stock market sectors so we can really kind of get into the details here. And what drives the U.S. economy? We do, the consumer. Let's take a look at consumer discretionary. That's yesterday, but let's look at the past or the trailing 1 year. A little bit of green, a lot of red. Discretionary is the things that we would like to own, the things we want. Let's talk about a discretionary and take a look at staples. Same trailing 1 year, a lot more green. Staples are the things we need. So at a glance, you get a very quick visual of how the companies that build the things we want versus the things we need have performed over the last year.